All viewers and dear students, today we have a new tricky and integration interesting question for you. So integration of e exponent cos of x dx. How we calculate this integration? So look here, one of the trigonometric function and one of the exponential function are both are involved in this function. So according to the definition, there are some types we in trigonometric function are using integration by parts. Integration by parts. So first of all, we write the formula u dot v. There are any two functions. We consider two functions here. If we write these two functions using according to the integration by parts, the first function we write same, and here same outside from the integration and applying v function integration dx, and double integration we put the same integration here dx, and further derivative of this function is derivative of the function is u function derivative of the u sin up to, and the last integration of this function of dx. This is using integration by parts. Here we are consider this is the first function when trigonometric function are involved, so it will be considered part 1 and this will be considered part 2nd. So part 2nd we are taking outside the integration, so we will apply here. Look here, cos of x integration of ex dx, and also we get suppose that let I is equal to this one, consider this term is equal to I, and integration of further double integration of according to the definition ex dx, and derivative with respect to x. Capital D means derivative with respect to x of cos of x and dx. So here we are applying here cos of x, integration of ex is ex, and further derivative of with respect to x, and the denominator we are finding. So similarly, integration of ex and further derivative of dx into x and 2. So we have found integration of, this is the process of integration of ex is equal to ex, but here we are using the procedure, and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x dx is remaining. Of cos of x integrate ex, and further we simplify this result. Derivative of x is equal to 1 minus integration of ex, and further denominator we get also 1. So and minus sin x, this minus is multiplied by plus sin x dx. Further once again we are applying on this function. This will be considered is the first part. This will be considered first part, and this will be considered second part of the I is equal to cos of x ex plus, here we are using the formula sin x first function integration of ex and dx, and double integration of ex dx, and further derivative of the first function sin x and 2 dx is equal to cos of x ex plus sin x integration of ex is equal to ex, and further derivative we are finding just like this one. So 1 and minus integration of ex is ex, and derivative of sin x is equal to cos x dx. So here we get here already we have supposition that one is already is equal to here I, and we put replace this result is cos x ex plus sin x ex minus in the place of this already supposition we put, and then plus and c, because we are finished the value of x plus sin x ex. And here ex, or we are taking common ex common, sin x, we can write sin x plus cos x, or cos x ex, both of is equal to ex and sin x plus cos x. And here we have already done, as is plus c is remaining here, plus c and plus c. So dividing both sides by 2i dividing both sides by 2, 1 over 2 ex sin x plus cos x, dividing both sides by c, and c divided by 2. So 2 dollar cancel, I is equal to ex divided by 2 sin x plus cos x, and we give here c1, where c1 is constant. We are using when we find this c1 when substitution are required of the x and sin x and y when are available given that. So that is the solution, and we have all this equal to integration of ex cos of x dx is equal to ex divided by 2 sin x plus cos x plus c1 as the required answer. We have solution. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more, and also comments for this video. Thanks again.